Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. To do it, we're gonna use a third-party website called pairdrop.net. So open your web browser, go to the search engine and search for pairdrop.net website. Once you find it, open it. To link your phone to this laptop, click the link icon right here, and then you can either open the same website on your phone and select the link icon and then enter this code into this field on your phone, or you can just scan this QR code you can see on your screen using your phone's camera to connect directly to your laptop. And once both devices are paired, you'll see your phone icon on the laptop screen and your laptop's icon on the phone screen. So right now, select the icon of your laptop, go to the files, select the file that you want to send, click add, and then accept it on your laptop. And this way, the file will be downloaded. And that's how you send files from your phone to your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.